Most traders overcomplicate currency trading. They stare at the screen all day, chasing every tick. But what if I told you you could trade the USD INR futures with a simple system that requires action only once a week? Let's look at the USD INR trading strategy and the backtest going back about 20 years. USD INR futures on MCX are highly liquid, available almost 12 hours a day, and reflect one of the most important global relationships, the Indian rupee versus the US dollar. For Indian traders, this means lower margin requirements, diversification beyond stocks, and an asset that reacts to global as well as local events. So the strategy is pretty straightforward. We look at the weekly chart of USD INR futures. Apply a simple moving average. In our case, we have chosen the 40-period weekly moving average. Go long when the price closes above the SMA at the end of the week. Stay out when the price is below the SMA. This means you only need to check your charts once a week, usually over the weekend or Monday morning. Currencies, unlike stocks, don't move 50 or 100% in a short span. They trend more slowly but steadily. The moving average keeps you on the right side of these long-term moves and avoids unnecessary choppiness. Here are the big advantages. Low screen time, just 5 minutes a week. Diversification. Hedge your stock portfolio against currency moves. Leverage with control. MCX allows trading with margins that are efficient. But with this rule-based system, you don't overtrade. Peace of mind. No need to react to every intraday fluctuation. But the biggest advantage of adding a currency system to your overall portfolio is, actually I'll show that to you during the backtest. Let's look at the backtest. Starting capital is 10 lakhs. This system deploys 100% capital into the trade. Let's understand what margin is required to trade a position worth 10 lakhs. I've pulled out the margin requirement from one of the brokers. So to trade a position size equal to 10 lakhs, we divide it by the current price, that is 88.73, which gives us $11,270. We then round it down to $11,000 since the lot size is $1,000 per contract. So our total margin required to trade 11 contracts will be 2218 multiplied by 11, which is 24,398. But remember, this is just the margin required to enter a position. I would always keep at least 4 times this amount to account for fluctuations and avoid a margin call. This is the strategy's equity curve. Consistent new highs. That's good. When we look at the performance summary, net profit is positive. The max close to close drawdown percentage is 4.54%, which is nice. The profit factor is 5.4. That's a really high profit factor. Moving on to the total trade analysis. Total number of trades taken were 36. Number of winning trades 18. Number of losing trades was also 18. So which means that the strategy was 50% profitable. Now pay attention to the average win-loss ratio. Here, the strategy has an average winning trade of 46,000 and an average losing trade of 8,600. That gives us a ratio of 5.4. That is a great win-loss ratio for any system. Let's look at the annual period analysis. The system has been overall profitable, except for a few years when it lost a bit of money. But all those drawdowns were manageable because the losses were pretty small. I want you to pay attention to 2008, 2011, and 2020. In my previous videos where I talk about equity trading systems, almost all of those systems have lost money during these periods, whereas the USD INR trading strategy has actually made money during those times. That's where the real edge of these kind of systems lie. So running a currency trading system along with your equity trading systems makes a lot of sense because they are quite uncorrelated. When one system loses, the other system makes money. So if you've been looking for a way to expand beyond equities, add USD INR to your trading playbook. Start small, follow the weekly system, and see how simplicity often beats complexity in trading. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me, do you trade USD INR or is this the first time you're hearing about it? This is the Traders Cafe. Until next time, take care.